Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team VRY. So if you own a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and you're looking for some extra protection for your device, then you might want to consider getting a case for your phone, such as the one that we have here with us today. So Spigen was kind enough to send over some of its cases for review, and for this one, we're going to take a look at the Spigen Rugged Armor for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's get started. Alright, so the Spigen Rugged Armor for the 9 Pro XL is your typical Spigen TPU case. It does come with a flexible design, but it doesn't really feel too stiff, so it's easy to take your phone in and out of the case. And for this one though, I did notice that Spigen made some significant changes to the Rugged Armor. Now, instead of the old matte finish on the back of the older Rugged Armor cases, Spigen has fully integrated a textured back into the Rugged Armor cases, so you get a bit of a sandstone texture to the back of the case. Now, it does also retain the carbon fiber accents on the rear of the case, and it does come with some added grip on the side, so you do get these tiny bumps on the side of the case, which does help with overall handling. With that said though, it also comes with all the proper cutouts, including the camera window, the charging port, the bottom firing speaker, and the microphone. And yeah, overall, I do like how it feels when handling the case. Now, putting your phone inside the case is a pretty simple affair. And once the case is on your Pixel 9 Pro XL, it does have a nice snug fit, especially around the edges. As you see with the sample that we have on here, there are no loose fitting edges on the case, so there aren't any exposed edges on your phone, and of course it does wrap tightly around the entire device. So as you can see, there are a bit of raised edges around the display, although I wouldn't say that they're too raised, especially if you have a screen protector on your display, but it will be enough to keep the screen directly from touching surfaces if you ever place your phone face down. The same can be said for the opening around the camera window. So it's not that high, although there's a slight bit of edge which does surround the camera window, although I would have preferred if the edges kind of overlapped around the edges of the camera bar. As for the buttons, they are pretty clicky, so there's no problems here if you're trying to press the power or the volume buttons. And yeah, overall, like I said, the texture on the back is a nice redesign to the Rugged Armor case, and if you're looking for a simple TPU case which does add a bit of thickness to your phone to keep it safe from knocks and bumps, then you'll probably like this one. Alright guys, so that's all the time that we have for this quick video. Let me know what you think about this case in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.